Namaste to all. This is L. Ujwala, 9th standard from India. This is my friend Varshita, 9th standard. Now title of the project: Low cost fence by pet threats and multiple applications. Now I am going to introduction of the project. Agriculture is crucial to Indian economy, employs over 46% of all the population and contributantly significantly to the GDP. India is global leader in milk, pulses and spices production. Now let us know key weakness in India's agriculture sector. We know that there are some major problems in India agriculture like weather unpredictability, soil degradation, low mechanization, proper crop production, high input cost, poor market system and so on. Now statement of the problem. In India or globally, accommodating fence to agriculture lands is an expensive thing. Now let us know usage of plastic. Global plastic production over 400 million tons per year. Countries using the most plastic. Number 1 position, China 30% at the global production. USA and Europe and India is a major contributors. Now facts about plastic production in India. India produces approximately 26,000 tons plastic waste in daily. As of recent report, only about 8% waste plastic is recycled, with the remaining being mismanaged or dumped. Some countries have higher rates. For instance, Japan recycled 72% of PET bottles. USA recycled 30% and Europe recycled 66%. Now solutions for the above problems. Here we are going to suggest some wonderful solutions for the above problems. Extraction of pet threats to fence the agricultural lands. One is extraction of pet threats and second one is recycling the pet bottles. PET bottles. Polyethylene terephthalate bottles widely used for beverages, water and packaging due to the durability, low cost and lightweight. Now extraction of pet threads from PET bottles. For this we designed the wonderful tools for extract the PET threads from PET bottles in required size, length and breadth. By these wonderful unique features of the PET threads, we are going to market them as agriculture, fence and other home appliances. These are the models for agriculture fence. Now PET threads as a home appliances like 2 chairs, grooming sticks and low cost tree gourd. Main features of this project. Farmers maintenance charges will be decreasing. Craft turnout will be increased. At the same time, plastic reduced is decreased. It's an eco-friendly project. It is an environmental friendly project, feasible and sustainable project. It is business friendly project. Now conclusion. To reduce the indiscriminate usage of plastic on earth, pet threads can use fencing of agriculture and home appliances like chair, grooming sticks and tree gourd. It is not only reduce the waste plastic on the earth, it is used for farmers. It is a wonderful idea. Thank you to all. Now practical demonstration.